All right, so let's get the unboxing started. So we have the packaging here. It just came in the mail today, so I was like, let me get started. Let's take and open it. So inside of the box, well, on the box it says clear natural audio. We'll see if that's the case here. Currently right now, if you're wondering what microphone I'm using a microphone that's on my camera, shotgun microphone. So we'll see if this kind of compares. So opening it up, this is a big box, but opening it up, we have a microphone arm, the microphone itself, USB-C, and the clamp. So let's just take all of this. Actually, can I just take this? Yeah, take the whole thing out. We got a manual. So this is everything that basically comes in the box. Here is our microphone, and ooh, this is actually a lot lighter than I was expecting. Let's see the capsule. There is the audio capsule inside of there. It looks like a normal size capsule. I'm not really sure what normal size capsule looks like, but I think it's pretty good. Now, just so you guys all know, I am not a audio expert. I don't know a crap ton about audio, but I know a good microphone when I hear one. I think I know a good microphone when I hear one. But we're gonna see if it even matters, because if the microphone doesn't give me remotely good audio, then it's not worth. But we should be able to get pretty good audio because it's a dynamic microphone. All right, connected up. All right, so currently the microphone is connected. It has the arm, standard mic stuff. Now the arm is, it's just like your standard mic arm. You probably eventually will get an upgrade for that, but since the microphone kind of comes with that, that's pretty good. There are microphones at a lot higher prices that don't even come with mic arms at all. So definitely a beginner friendly microphone. All right, so now the microphone is connected and I have no clue what it sounds like at all. So hopefully it sounds pretty good. I'm gonna turn on monitoring. I think that's pretty good. Okay, let's see what the XLR input is like. Now we are recording and I'm using my Rodecaster as basically the mixer, and now you're hearing me through the XLR cable. So let me know what you think and how it sounds, because I think going through the mixer probably will sound a bit better, honestly. But put on some headphones, let me know, and go back and forth in the video. Look, so let me know right now. Okay, so we'll switch between USB-C and we'll switch back and forth. So right now you are listening to me through the XLR input, and now you are listening to me through the USB input, and I think they should sound roughly the same, but I know the processing of the Rodecaster might be a bit better, but the kind of upgradability is kind of there. You know what I mean? So you could take, upgrade, bing bang boom, you're good to go. But when it comes to audio, there's kind of like a range. There is a price to performance, and once you get up there in the price, you get more and more performance, but it kind of levels off. Like it doesn't sound any better when you go from a like say like $200 to $300 microphone, and then you go even higher than that to like $1,000 microphone. They kind of all mix in together a lot, unless you like upgrade other things. But when you're at like this kind of like range that we're at right now, it kind of doesn't matter, because there's so many ways to make a microphone sound even better when it comes to editing it. So as long as you're getting some kind of audio that's some kind of decent, you can go into your editing software and kind of just make it better, or use VSTs when you're streaming and make your microphone sound pretty good while you're live. So I feel like the point of, getting a super expensive microphone is it's kind of like pointless unless you're doing like really good audio work, or good voiceovers and things like that. But if you're just gaming and you just need something that works, this ain't that bad. This is not bad at all. It's actually, listening to it in my ears is pretty good. Now I'm gonna try to edit some of these clips. I'm gonna go into my editing software of choice, DaVinci Resolve, see how it sounds, and then I'll give you like the after editing feedback. All right, so when it comes to the audio from this microphone, it actually sounds amazing, because for the price, you're getting a freaking like amazing audio. Just like all of the audio clips that you heard before, I looked at them in the editing software. I did no editing to them at all, and I was like, what more could I do? It's freaking amazing. Now I think if there was like background noise or something, or if I had like some loud stuff in the background, maybe you put some noise cancellation on there, but that's about it. Everything else, it's kind of perfect. Okay, so my thoughts on would I recommend you getting this microphone? I would say 100% yeah. If you have no microphone whatsoever, just get it. Just, if you need a second microphone and you're just like, I want something cheap that's freaking amazing quality, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So, for the price, arm, shock mount, the fact that you can mute it and stuff, hey, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. So, in conclusion for this video, the links to this will be down in the description, and yeah, let me know if you have this microphone, or if you thought about getting this microphone and you came across this video, and if this helped you decide on if you should get it or not. If you agree with me, if you don't agree with me, maybe in the comments let me know, and we can have some discussions down there. But without further ado, I'm done. I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whatever my next video is gonna be. But I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.